Welcome to Saga Diallo, and I'm going to teach you 3 steps how to do this. That. And now, in order to do that, you have to have your mouth in a circular hole. And also have to have your lips wide out. That's the only way how you can do it. If I do it in, it doesn't make like the loud of a sound. So you have to have your mouth, your lips in a circular and wide out, but not too far out. Second step, the second step is about your tongue. While you're you have to suck in a little bit air, not too much, a little bit of air, and then push that air out with your tongue. And while you're pushing the air out, your lips has to, and your little hole has to open a bit wide. It has to move a bit wider. I'm good without using my tongue, but if you're learning how to do it, you have to use your tongue. You have to use your tongue, okay? Okay? Camera, okay? So you have to use your tongue. And also, the amount of air is like, the third step is about the air. It's like, about 10% of air going in your mouth and pushing it out. And that's all. So, bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bam.